I'm just gonna do this last song. Goes out to everybody from the village of Samoa and all the villages from Samoa. Listen. I say, it's so beautiful to be out here. I can't explain this feeling. Listen. You see, I don't know. I don't care. I'm right here. That's just me. You can find me right here in the Samoan village. Say what? Come relax next to me, my island baby. Skin tone is like Kalua liqueur. I'ma hold you close to me, keep you secure. Just like a hustler's, I'm a God 44. Jungle law, somebody guard yours. I don't do guessing, I'm not into the unsure type of insecure. No, I ain't Beckham, I won't try the truth to kick it with the viewer. So you can love me more, hate me or love me more, but don't have the street man tap your door. Cause you ain't gotta like David Tour. Am I right? Feelstyle. I don't care what. That's just me, right? Top of the stage, Samoan village, loving it. Chuchu mai de cowboy le popole. Chuchu we eat, chuchu we ngai o apolo e ia singa sudenga ki apolo. Maunga apa au mangeko. Vai, amo fasela. Wa wale la vasu nga kasasa ngai fi asa leo aha. Va fonga ma fala ke maka wa papa. Ole sifi ole ngaka ole sifi. E bukuru o ia ai sauia ole me sifi. Wa e moko sia mai inge ko nga fiti. Wa ya so saka wi ai man gei fi. Sebo o fiu ile anga sala fia ile au su e kala i sea. Ka vikwa se ile le ka o se ikuri ile au pomisa. Am I right? I don't know. I don't care. Why stress when you have the beautiful, most beautiful place on earth right now? Don't let it get ya. Listen. But I know for okay, what I must say, take what I must say. That's right. Listen. Break it. Right on top. Take it to him. Stop. Yes. Feelstyle. I don't know. I don't care. That's just me, baby. Feelstyle. Wow. That's just me, baby. Go on. At the Samoan village, top of the stage, keeping it warm. I don't know okay what I must go, feko I must go, why you live for, ilalo o se po mo, imaru o fo, e tu kuar kamalo, e pai, don't pulo, pay o se pulo, wai kulong aku. Yo, make some noise!
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Feelstyle! Okay then, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do, very good in the hip-hop area. I was wondering if we could give an example to our brothers and sisters here, the art form of freestyle rap. Is that okay for you?
Well, I don't really do raps for free, but
yeah,
only for the Samoan stage I will.
That's awesome.
That's why they don't have me at the international stage.
That's awesome. So what?
My name is expensive.
Tangata. Okay, then. So what I'm going to do, because I'm actually a old head from the back in the day in the hip hop when Run DMC and all those sort of guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask somebody to give a topic. Okay, is that or no? You a top? Okay, if we say something Samoan like I don't know, wedding. So we'll give him a little bit of time, and then what I'm going to do, the beatboxing, and then who said I can. Well, you wait and see for yourself. So I'll do the beatbox, and then what we're going to do, we're going to turn it around. Kaz is then going to beatbox for me, and then I'm gonna get anybody put up your hand, and then I'm going to do my freestyle. And yeah. Okay then, Kaz, are we ready? Okay then. So I'm going to start the beatbox, and you just come in with a little bit of a flow about weddings, anything. Okay then. Okay, Kaz, here we go with my beatboxing and your freestyle. Mr. DJ, spin the wheels of steel.
Yes. You see. My name is not Shione, but I'll marry everybody, right? Ask her. All right. Hold up. Sorry, man. My type of freestyle, it's not suited for kids.
Oh, okay then. Well, no, don't worry.
What about if I beatbox
okay,
and you talk about wedding?
Okay. Oh,
all
well,
right.
I've got anybody know, well, let's make it fair. Any subject, somebody shout out a subject, a topic to do with Samoan culture. Young lady? Something else about Samoan culture. Yes. Pua? Yeah. Okay. Pua it is. Okay then, Kaz.
I don't know how to beatbox, but I'll give it a go.
Yeah. Thank you, Solly. Thank you, brother.
All right. Are you ready?
Yeah, but not too fast and not too slow. Just a nice little 80s flow, okay? Oh, carry on. Okay, so okay, so we're going to talk about Michael.
Man, I thought you were bad.
I am bad, but don't be a smooth criminal. Don't be a smooth criminal. Just stick to our, just the beatboxing. Okay, thank you.
Here we go.
And hit the wheels of steel, Mr. DJ. My name is Ma. I'm not a Pua. Okay then. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, everybody. Enjoy
Ladies
the
and
rest of the
gentlemen,
day.
Feelstyle. Feelstyle, ladies and gentlemen. Okay then, so what we got now, I've just been advised that the umu is, we've got a stall here selling umu along with all the other niceties surrounding our Samoan village, and they've advised it's ready in about 5 minutes, and it's just over here on my left-hand side, so that's great.